My roommate's dog is right here. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Becca and welcome to my channel. My roommate's gonna be vacuuming our living room, so just ignore the sound and ignore the crying dog because her dog is in here with me because she's petrified of the vacuum cleaner. Today, I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys. It is on a look I posted to my Instagram that I'll pop up here. I did it last week just for fun, to try and get back in the habit of doing makeup without it being a video or without it being something that's really wearable. So this is going to be a summery, tropical kind of look. Desi. It is once again with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette because I wanted to redeem myself after the awful look that was my Get Ready With Me that I will link up here. The colors are fun, and I know summer's kind of winding down since it's, like the end of July, which is like unfathomable. It's crazy that it's already like the end of July, but I still wanted to play with some summer colors. So that's why I can just, I know it's crazy that it's like already the end of July, but that's kind of why I wanted to keep playing with summer colors because I missed so much of the summer. If you don't have this palette, don't worry about it. You can use any palette that has a hot pink, an orange, and a yellow. The only reason I really use this and the only reason I really bought this is because Sugar Pill is constantly sold out of their hot pink. So I bought a palette with a good hot pink. One second, let me go free the dog. You ready to go see Mom? This one is going to be like super easy, like not a big deal at all. Very beginner. This look is super easy, and so if you are a beginner, this is going to be great for you. It only takes like 5 minutes or less to do. Truly, the longest part of this is going to be me putting on eyelashes. So, without much more getting in the way, here we go. Like I said in my last video, I'm just using my dirty brushes that I used last time I did this look because I never cleaned them. But before I do that, let me touch up my eyelids because they're all creasy creased. First, I'm going to go in with the yellow in the palette. And I'm just going to take a Morphe Y19 blender brush and place that in the crease. Next, with a Morphe M511, I'm going to take the orange color and place it directly under the yellow, making a gradient. The orange in this palette very much so reminds me of Clementine in the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. It's just a little less pastel, one might say. And I'm quickly going to touch up the yellow. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M513 and take the hot pink of the palette and, just go farther down the lid, packing it on top of the bottom half of the orange onto the lid. Then for an added punch, I'm going to take the red in the palette using a Real Techniques base shadow brush and ever so gently placing it near the lash line. For the bottom lid, I'm going to go back in with the orange and yellow and just do the opposite of the way I did it up top. Ooh, nice gradient going on, very sunsetty, very summery. Now, for the inner corner, I'm going to use a pink highlighter, and they really show up well when on top of a pink. So I'm taking a Morphe M562, which is a tiny blending brush, and just barely putting some of the pink eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes. For the inner corner, I am taking the Sweetest Bling by Wet n Wild, which is a pretty pink highlighter. Like I said, I'm using a NYX B31 brush to place it. To finish out the eyes, I'm going to also take some Huda Beauty lashes in Farah number 12. If you get mascara on your eyelid while you're doing your makeup, wait for it to dry. It seems counterintuitive, but wait for it to dry and then take a Q-tip and just brush it off. It chips right off without messing up your eyeshadow. Where is my eyelash glue? Since these are thick band lashes, I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid eyeliner Trooper and just fill in the gaps between the inner corner of my eye and the lashes so it doesn't look quite as weird. Well, that's it for the eyes. I'm gonna finish with the rest of my face off camera and come back and talk to you about how I feel about it at the end. So, like I said, it was super easy. It can be done in a couple minutes, in, out, done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and become part of the fam. Also, give this video a thumbs up. And then while you're down there, go ahead and tap the bell so that you get push notifications on your phone whenever I post brand new content just like this. Like I said in my last video, I'm trying to get back in the habit of filming regularly and not just like once in a blue moon. So I promise there'll be more content coming soon. And just like in my last video, lighting's still wonky, trying out a microphone situation, and we'll see if it all worked out. But before I go, here are some other videos from my channel for you to just keep watching. So click the next one and I will see you in my next video. Bye!